Transfer learning is like giving a head start to your model by using knowledge learned from a different but related task. Imagine if you learn how to play a guitar and now you want to learn how to play ukulele. You can transfer some of your guitar skills to quickly pick up the ukulele. Similarly, we can use a pre-trained neural network that has learned to recognize a variety of features from a large dataset, like ImageNet, and apply it to a new task. Here is how it works in the context of neural networks. You start with a network that has been trained on a large dataset, like ImageNet, to recognize general features in images, such as the edges, textures, and shapes. This network consists of several convolutional layers which act as feature detection, followed by a fully connected layers which classify images based on those features. When you have a new set of image from a different task, for example, a medical image for analysis, instead of starting from the scratch, you can use the pre-trained network. You can remove the original fully connected layer since they were specified to the original task, like classifying animals, and add a new fully connected layers tailored to your specific task, like identifying a healthy versus a diseased tissues. You then train the new network, but only the new layers you've added learn from the new images. The convolutional layers transferred from the pre-trained network can be frozen, so their weights don't change, or they can be fine-tuned, which means they can slightly adjust their weights based on new data. By transferring the learned features from the convolutional layers, you don't need as much as data or training time to achieve a good performance on new tasks, because the network is not learning everything from the scratch. It's leveraging patterns it already knows and applying them to the new images. The result is a model that is customized for your specific task, which, with learned features from original datasets and the ability to classify new images according to your target classes.